Hello, welcome our The Best 5 channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show some of the best resistance bands that have been best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. Let's go start. Number 1. Whatafit Resistance Bands Set. Most resistance bands have very specific exercises they can be used for. The Whatafit Resistance Bands Set, on the other hand, is a great choice if you are looking to get a full body strength training workout on, without breaking the bank or fussing with weights. The handles, ankle straps, and door anchor make this one of the more versatile sets, not to mention the countless ways you can combine the bands to vary your load options. The set comes with 5 different bands with resistances ranging from 10 pounds to 50 pounds. Adding up to a whopping 150 pounds. The steel clips and natural latex make for a durable product, and considering the versatility of the bands, we think this set is worth the extra few bucks. The handles are very comfortable for your hands, and the ankle straps fit a wide range of ankle sizes. This set is a little pricier than some of the simpler setups, but the quality and versatility make it worth it. It's also a little bulkier than the rest of the sets in this review, so if you are looking for something very small to take with you while traveling, it may not be the best choice. However, if you've got a bit of space and want something scalable, we love this set. It is lightweight, versatile, durable, and works great for both upper and lower body workouts. Pros: versatile, wide weight range, comfortable straps and handles. Cons: expensive by comparison, a little bulky for travel. Number 2. Fit Simplify Resistance Loop Exercise Bands. The Fit Simplify Resistance Loop set consists of 5 bands and a small carrying bag. These are very compact, and the 5 different resistances offer a lot of options for various different body parts. Got hip flexor issues? Throw one around your ankles. How about shoulder issues? They sit nicely on your wrists as well. With latex loops like this, the number one worry is that they will roll up and pinch the skin. We are happy to announce that we did not find this to be an issue with these. However, it is worth noting that the placement affects this. If you want the bands on your thighs, place them a little closer to your knee so that they are already at the narrowest part of your leg. This will ensure that they do not slip and slide around. There isn't much we can complain about as far as function with the Fit Simplify, though we did like the Letsfit set a little better. They work how you want them to, and they stood up to our durability tests. This particular set only comes in one color option. You can't really go wrong with trusty prime colors, but we wouldn't mind a few others to choose from. Pros: extra light to extra heavy, travel friendly, durable, scalable. Cons: not for heavy gains. Carry bag is flimsy. Number 3. Odoland Pull-Up Straps Resistance Bands. This set of latex rubber resistance bands make a perfect travel workout at a great price. The set of 5 bands includes a carry case, the 5 resistance bands, 2 handles and a door hanger for suspension type training. These stackable resistance bands with grippy handles are best for targeting your arms, shoulders, and back. Tie them around a sturdy pole, anchor them to the door, or stand right on top of them to perform classic pulling movements, like back rows, shoulder raises, and bicep curls. Better yet, double the movements with compound exercises to work your lower body too. I consider this one of my most valuable home gym additions. An Amazon customer wrote, "You can never go wrong with resistance bands, and being able to anchor them to any door makes them that much more valuable." Every part of this set is extremely well made, from the bands to the straps to the anchors. Pros: complete kit, 5 bands plus accessories. Ebook with workouts included. Get the most for your money. Includes door anchor, perfect portable exercise equipment. Cons: the bands become discolored with time. Number 4. Letsfit Resistance Exercise Bands. The Letsfit Resistance Loop Bands are a great compact set, complete with a mesh carrying bag and a small booklet that outlines its uses. The 5 resistances are listed as extra light, light, medium, heavy, and extra heavy. The difference between each band is substantial, so scalability is actually quite high. When we first unpacked them, We were a little worried that the bands were rigid and might snap. However, after a few minutes, they softened up and became very elastic. We also weren't sure if they would feel comfortable on bare skin. But we were pleasantly surprised. We put them on our arms and legs and found them to be quite comfortable. The bands do not roll up, even when placed on the thighs. They do have a tendency to slip down to the most narrow part of your body, so be sure to place them at your wrists, upper forearm or elbow, ankles, and just behind or just above the knee to help mitigate slippage. Although there are 5 different resistance options, the 2 easiest, very light and light, are in fact quite light. They may be good for rehabilitation of sorts, but they are not quite heavy enough to gain strength. They are useful, but their use is limited. That being said, everyone is at different levels, and one person's easy is another's hard, so we appreciate the larger scale of resistance available with this set. Number 5. Black Mountain Resistance Band Set. Black Mountain Products is a smaller business that manufactures fitness gear for the home gym. The brand has incredible attention to detail, and their model selection of products is actually a plus, as it means each product has been thoroughly tested for strength and quality. Their 5-piece stackable resistance band set is one of their most popular products and is also a bestseller on their Amazon storefront with nearly 900 plus glowing reviews. This set comes with 5 48 inches latex bands, color-coded based on weight resistance. These bands are stackable, which means you can attach multiple bands to the handles for even greater resistance. All in all, you can have as little as 4 pounds of resistance or up to 72 pounds if you stack all of them together. This versatility is outstanding compared to traditional flat bands that can't really in any way be stacked for greater resistance. Aside from the bands, BMP also includes 2 handles, a door anchor, ankle strap and a carrying bag for all the gear. They also include a guide to using these bands, including specific exercises to try. Even if you've never used resistance bands before, this kit will get you started off on the right foot. You can also find beginner-oriented resistance band workouts right on their website. Pros: fun color options, travel-friendly, good for rehab. Warm-up. Cons: stiff and stinky at first, limited uses. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Thanks for watching.